mental status examination or nursing assessment. In mental status examination should be assessed following aspects of client. First is that general appearance and behavior. Second, speech. 3, mood and affect. 4, thought. 5, perception. 6, cognition or neuropsychiatric assessment. 7, insight. 8, judgment. Detail going on. Mental status examination first should be assess general appearance and behavior, including first general appearance, second attitude towards examiner, 3 comprehension, 4 gait and posture, 5 motor activity, 6 social manner, 7 report, 8 hallucinatory behavior. Second, need to assess speech. 1, rate and quantity of speech. Second, volume and tone of speech. 3, follow and rhythm of speech. Third, mood and affection. 4, thought, including first, stream of thought, second, content of thought, 3, abstract thinking. 5, should be assessed perception, including first, hallucination, second, illusion and misinterpretation, 3, depersonalization and derealization, 4, somatic passivity phenomenon, 5 others, autoscopy, abnormal sensation, etc. 6, cognition or neuropsychiatric assessment. First, consciousness, second, orientation, 3, attention, 4, concentration, 5, memory, including immediate retention or recall, B, recent memory, C, remote memory, 6, intelligence assessment. 7, insight, including intellectual insight, 2, true emotional insight, 3, complete denial of illness, 4, slight awareness of being sick, 5, awareness of being sick, 8, judgment, which means decision making, including first, social judgment, second, test judgment. In conclusion, hence, concepts such as mental health, mental hygiene, mental health nursing are directly linked with health status of people. For example, poor mental hygiene cause mental illness. It is a psychological medicine. Keep mental hygiene can prevent mental illness. Also prevent physical illness. So mental hygiene is primary. Want to promote mental health as well as physical and social well-being. Hence, it is a psychological medicine to prevent the diseases, promote the health and provide therapeutic informations. It is essential and applied to nursing. So every nursing professionals need to apply this nursing. The mental hygiene is a concept to prevent the diseases and promote the health. In every aspect of nursing, including care, cure, prevention and rehabilitation setting, community setting, etc. It is used to solve the problems. First, individual problems and social problems. Problems in the institutions can solve by the concept of or study of mental hygiene and mental health. Promote intellectual development. Every individual can develop their self-esteem through the study of mental hygiene and to promote mental health. Thank you. Have a nice day.